Okay, so this is your boy Kwame Ba Hot Water, and this is my brother. My brother, he's just calm, cool. He vibes a lot, and today he's here to share some exciting mystery. I call it a mystery because it's something you don't know. Even I don't know. I just don't know. He's here to teach us the mystery behind roads. Have you asked yourself that question before? You see, it's my shock. So there is a man, and he's from which school? GIG. So big ups to all the GIG students. We love you. So this is your boy Educash. You can tune in to his channel too. He's also a YouTuber just like me. He has entertaining
I do funny, I do trending news.
He's all around.
I do all,
And don't worry, very soon he's bringing up something we call we do some.
That's all. Yeah, we do some.
With my own, I don't call it we do some. I call it what don't you know show. So today I'll just leave my brother to just pass through a little, at least I call it the tutorials. So cash flow.
Oh, so viewers, welcome. As you know, I'm Cash Flow. My YouTube channel is Educash. And this is, I'm just moving straight forward because do you know the history of roads, how roads came about? Do you know it? If you know it, hit the comment section, drop your comment in there, and let me be sure that you know. Because maybe what you know might be different from what I know.
Yes.
But what I know is roads. It's an ancient thing. Roads were actually what do we call demarcated, or were naturally constructed by humans through their foot. They used their foot to construct roads even before the new technology and everything came. So most of the times, wherever you see a road, people from ancient time used that route, whether for trade or to travel to different places. And through that channel they use, when technology came, we traced those routes. And because most of the time, because they were using their foot, they would love to travel on a land which is good, like a land where they will not find themselves, wanting and other stuff. So they travel along, places where it will be smooth for transportation.
So, brother,
yeah.
Basically, are you trying to say roads are created by you and I?
Yeah, because it was created by our great-great-grandfathers.
Good. If our great-great-grandfathers constructed road, then we are also part. Because we've used path. They've not used this current quota, advert and stuff. And yes, still we created path for ourselves.
Sure.
So it means even the olden days, we were the creators of our own road.
Definitely.
Before the white man method even came in.
Definitely. The roads were there, and then they only have to clear and then put asphalt on them to make it what we see now. So I think drivers, they must respect humans on roads more than everything. Because now it's like drivers feel like the road is for them, and we are nothing when it comes to road matters. And I think it's about time that they have to give respect for we humans. Because if you're talking about, like, especially the pedestrians, if you're talking about who the road belongs to, the road belongs to the pedestrian. You understand? It belongs to the pedestrian before even the cars come. Because the cars came to meet that road. And that road has a history. And the history is, it was constructed by the foot of our great grandfather.
Oh, then I have to go and buy a horse.
Car even came.
If drivers are not respecting us, then my brother, me, I'm going to buy a horse.
Definitely.
I'll buy a horse.
Definitely.
So that the horse, the shoes, you call it what? Yeah, I don't know
it's the horse leg.
The horse leg.
Yeah,
I mean, I'll use the horse leg I'll create another road on the road, so that we all use it.
Yeah.
If you don't respect pedestrian, my brother is saying, and it's true.
Yeah.
Most drivers don't respect pedestrians.
Yeah.
They don't even obey road signs. So me, I've made up my mind. With what are you going to buy?
If you are buying,
me, I'll buy horse.
If you buy horse, no. If we are
Or
traveling,
you buy camel.
if you buy horse, and we are traveling, and I also buy camel, we are traveling.
I'll go first.
You go. I'll be left behind. I want to go with you. Anywhere you go,
Then
I want
buy
to follow
car.
your go.
No, buy car.
You understand?
If you want to follow the go, buy car.
If I buy car,
Which car will
your
you
horse
buy?
will destroy my car.
Which car will you buy?
Your horse will
No, which car will you buy?
Okay, then if I'm buying a car, then I'll buy a car which will be faster than your horse.
So which
I'll
car will you buy?
Okay, I'm thinking about Audi, that car. Yeah, Audi. Yeah, I'm thinking about Audi.
Please, we'll leave the Audi for another day. But today we are not here to talk about cars yet, because if he's going to talk about Audi, then he's going to give you every bullet, every detail about Audi. And I know this man. If I leave my show for him,
because Audi is a US car. You know how US they do their stuff, Charlie.
The Audi car, no, I've heard the name because of the branding. We'll talk about that, but not today. The branding itself, cry is just something. The branding,
Sure.
okay. The branding.
Sure.
Hey, me if I get money, like how much?
Oh, like how any money, like the money that can secure the development or anything you want to secure.
But first, me, I'll still buy the horse first.
You buy.
Yes.
So why? Is it
I'll
because
buy-
of what we are saying?
Yes, it's because of what you are saying.
So you want to disturb drivers on
Yes,
them?
I'll disturb them. So that also cause traffic.
No, you don't. It's not good. You know.
So that when my horse is running at
no,
at
if you want to cause a traffic,
but
traffic.
I don't know at what speed does
I
the
think-
horse run per second or per minute.
That one I don't know. I can't calculate.
Who should we ask?
No, this one. Let's Google. Everybody, just Google it.
We should Google.
Yeah, Google it.
Do you think Google can tell us? Because I know Google. Google knows everything.
Let's Google how many kilometers per hour can
Will a regular horse?
Can a regular horse travel?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then everybody just Google right now and give us the feedback.
Because
we
me, I don't
want
know.
to see the feedback. So Google and
So that I'll make my decisions clear. Whether I'll go for the
donkey or
Audi.
Audi.
No, donkey.
Hey,
Donkey.
horse or Audi.
Audi.
Okay.
But
Don't you like Bentley or Range Rover?
I'm changing my mind. Because the brand itself, I'm changing my mind. It's like I want to stop the horse.
Okay, you want to buy Range Rover?
No, the Range Rover, no, the Audi, no.
The small boys are using Range
So
Rover.
me, I'm not a
You
small
don't
boy.
like the small boys are using Range Rover now, so you want Audi.
Yes, I want
But
Audi.
how about Benz?
Yes, Benz is for people like
Okay,
me.
so
Because
guys-
for me, I was born in the century. So
I want to tell you something. There's difference between car and machine.
good.
Do you know the difference between a car and a machine? Who can give me one example of a car? And who amongst you can also give me one example of a machine? Let me hear it or let me see it in the comment section. Let's get interactive in there. I want to see a typical example of a car and a machine in the comment section.
Car and machine.
Yeah. We have cars and machines in the world.
Okay, me if you ask me
Some
this,
cars are machines. And we
some
have
machines are cars.
Some machines too.
He said scam, no, I don't know. Some car. Say also, okay, he said some car and some machines are car. Everything.
So guys, I want to leave you for now. So you continue the video. We are planning on something special for you. So relax. Today, we didn't plan for this. No, we didn't plan for this. So this thing you are seeing right now, it wasn't scripted. We did it for you, okay? So we are going to script something, and when we come back, trust me, this is just the beginning.
Hey, who's going to invite you to my show?
No, this is just the beginning.
Me, I'll not invite you to my show.
I know you're not going to, but I
like
invite
talking
myself.
because-
Anytime I see you doing a video, I invite myself.
If you come to
So
my
guys,
camera, I'll destroy the camera.
anytime you see me, you see me in his video, then you know that I told him I'll invite myself.
It's
So
lying.
I'm
When he comes to me, I'll destroy them. Before you go,
Okay.
tell the my fans.
So-
and your channel, the name of your channel.
Okay, so viewers,
remind them a little.
my name is Cashflow, and I am a YouTuber as well. You can check me. My YouTube name is Educash, and it's spelled ADUKASH. ADUKASH. Educash Official. So you can check me on YouTube. I have some great videos for you, interesting videos for you.
But
So
before-
you can check me in there. So
But
that-
before you leave, I want to ask you one thing. This whole world, if you are to promote a brand, if you are given that chance to promote a brand,
yeah.
this is the only avenue.
Yeah.
No one will pay you. No one will worry you. This is the only avenue you can promote and sell a brand.
Yeah.
So what brand will you go for? You have a lot of brands. You have Samsung, you have Apple, you have Benz, you have all the alls.
Yeah.
You have Mac Brown, you have you have a lot of brands.
So I think
Will you go for SM2 or you are not a lover?
I think
of SM?
the best brand I will or I can every day, every time what do you call promote is myself, because I am a brand of my own. You understand? I have to promote myself even before I promote any other else. So I, Cashflow, Educash, the name on YouTube, that is the brand I am pushing now. All the brands, I come first before they come.
So you are the second.
So I am the
tertiary.
I'm the genesis of it all. I am the genesis of all brands. So yeah, so that's it. You see how I'm sweating, Charlie? I was doing something and my brother just came and dragged me here. So I'm leaving you for now. I'll be
Viewers.
back next time. It's a great video for you.
Okay.
So bye bye. See you.
Thank you. If you really love the connection and you want to stay tuned for more, because you are going to plan mind-blowing, just exciting videos, exciting topics, exciting issues we would like to address people. Because for me personally, as I'm also pushing up my brand, which is Kwame Ba Hot Water, and there's one thing I've gotten to understand. This is the only avenue. It gives me a chance to express myself. It gives me a voice. Just as Nas Daily said, Nas Daily, I give you thanks because you really opened my eyes to see through another window. And this is the window I'm viewing from. I'm viewing from your point of view. Because you said video has given you another voice. And YouTube has not only given me another voice, but has also created an avenue for me to express myself freely and for me to interact with people all over the world.